Standard 4th, subject EVS 2 History, lesson number 18 Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust power. There were the Adil Shah and the Mughals' power, the Portuguese and the Siddhi of Janjira. That is how an independent Hindvi Swaraj was created. Smooth working Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 departments. He appointed us ministers in charges of each. This was his famous Council of 8 Ministers. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run on the welfare of the people in the true sense of the term. It was run with the assistance of the 8 ministers. Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointed of these 8 ministers an important officer on the basis of their eligibility and merit. He surprised all their works. People lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the qualities of confidence, self-respect, and the patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. Protection of environmental. Natural environmental includes the land in nature and also the factors like air, rain, rivers and streams, seas, forests, the birds and animals, etc. This environment also to meet his necessity. Shivaji took the precaution to avoid the destinations of these environmental factors. Shivaji Maharaj saw to it that the forest in this kingdom will not be destroyed by the people. The royal ethics, we can see that he had issued many orders like the followings. For the navy, it is necessary to build the boats and the ship of various size and their beams, masts, oars, etc., for which wood is required. To obtain this wood, only thick trees should be cut. It is more thick wood is required. It should be purchased from the foreign territory, but no one account should mango, jackfruits or other trees be cut. They don't grow in a year or two. People took after them like their own children in order to grow them. Cutting them to sorrow of the people, it should not be done. Even when a tree is greatly worn out, it should not be cut only after paying the owner and gather this consent. Water management. Shivaji Maharaj had various burns built near the villages in Swaraj to make drinking water available to the people. Canals were dug out to make water available for agriculture. Due to this, there were an increases in the produce. People in Swaraj never felt the drought. During the regime of the Shivaji Maharaj, the number of people living on forts was quite large. Shivaji Maharaj to make proper arrangement for waters on the fort. Before building a fort, the place was inspected to see whether enough waters are available there or not. In case it did not have the water tank and reservoirs were built there. Before the onset of the rainy seasons and rainwater was stored in them. The stored water was used economically. Due to such water management, people on the forts and other subjects in Swaraj did not suffer from shortage of water even through drought periods. Drought relief. Shivaji Maharaj gave various facilities to drought affected the peasant. He used to wear taxes. So, the severity of the drought was reduced for the people in Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj distributed the grain stored in the state grains free of cost to the people. He also undertook the repair of various forts and construction of dams, burns and canals during drought year. He could afford to buy things like footwear, clothes, etc. He provided work to the artisans. Those who were homeless still they developed the capacity to build their own house. This is done provided work to the mason, the carpenter, the blacksmith, the brickmaker. This is how long with the peasant in the Swaraj. Artisans also became happy and wealthy. Sea trade and other market. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj well and to establish his rule over the sea adjoining Swaraj. He developed the trade parts like Rajapuri. He built a special market on Raigad. He started a separate marketplace of Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplace in the big towns and roadside villages. A new path of settlements was established at the Pashin near Pune by the order of the Veer Mata Jijabai. It was referred to as Jijapur. Shivaji Maharaj levied more taxes on goods imported from the outside regions to promote trade within Swaraj. The Portuguese territories which had it coastler. On the other hand, he reduced the tax on the salt produce in Swaraj so that the people could buy it at cheaper rate. Actually, it led to increase in the trade of salt produce in Swaraj. Thus, the local trade was encouraged. Shivaji Maharaj made efforts for the growth of trade and industry in Swaraj. He personally made sure that his subject would not be cheated by the merchant in any way, and it also not cheated in the coconut and the betel trade in Konkan. He warned the Subedar of that region. High regard for women. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and the children in the enemy campaign were not to be harmed in any other during the period of war. In fact, they were to be treated with the great respect. The behavior of the Shivaji and the several occasions set the ideal of how women were to be treated. The Maratha army had marched upon the Belawadi in Karnataka to vanish the fortress there. Desai and brave women fought a great battle in the defense of the fortress. Shivaji Maharaj came to know about the courage. He called his younger sister, returned his fortress and villages to her with honor, and gave her the title of Savitri. Vigilance regarding cleanliness. During the regimen of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in homes and the public places. He issued order telling people to make a fence of the Nirgud brush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, scorpio, insects, and ants. People were warned not to leave the garbage laying on the road and mark it on the fort. If garbage piled up in the various places, it spit all over this. It was not to be thrown down the fort. It was to be built on the spot, and ashes used to be used as a manure for the vegetables grown in backyard. Shivaji Maharaj management of forts, guns and the firearms. His navy protection of the environmental water management, sea trade, market, cleanliness and hygiene in a guardian force for us even today. Hindvi Swaraj. Hindvi Swaraj was the dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religions of community they belong, was a Hindvi. Their Rajya was Hindvi Swaraj. Religion tolerance. The religion policy of Shivaji Maharaj was reliable. In this campaign, he never caused any harms to mosque. If he came across the copy of the Quran Sharif, he could respectfully pass it to the Muslim. He never hated Muslim because they were Muslim. If a people who had changed his religion wished to return to his original religion, Shivaji Maharaj always helped him. His brother-in-law, Babaji Nimbalkar, was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made his accept the Muslim faith. Babaji made Bijapur his home. He lacked from nothing, but he was unhappy that he was changing his religion. One day, he made up his mind to to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed his back in his religion. The story of Nithoji Palkar is also similar. The region had been changed, but he wished to return to his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him into his religion. Remember him. Shivaji Maharaj was a touch burials in the dark night of the slavery, a fighter who got the better of all the difficulty situation, who slowly but surely increased his strength while giving the fight to the powerful enemies, who encouraged the commanders and fooled his appointed and in the end achieved his goal. He was a model sons, leaders and skilled, organized and benevolent administrator, a clever ministress, a great warrior, etc. When one see of all these brilliant traits of his personality, one cannot but say to oneself, bring a memory his wonderful images and remember his great achievement. I hope everyone can understand. Thank you.